Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a stoopy on your bike. Step one is you need a bike. Step two is you need a good front tire. My front tire is not very good. I've been doing this a lot. And a pair of shoes. So, first of all, let's get started. I'm going to show you what to do for step three. Alright, step three, you need to have a flat surface, and I'm going to show you what to do for step four. First, you want to ride at a decent speed, whatever speed is comfortable for you. I recommend not so fast, because you might get hurt. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm just going to go at a medium speed, so you can... Alright, now that you've gone at the medium speed, you're going to stick your foot in your front tire. Now, you want to stick it in there soft for right now, just to get used to that, and do that a couple times. Instead of jamming your foot in softly, you're going to put it in there hard. And if you do it correctly, if you slam it in there, your back should come up. It doesn't have to be that high, but it should come up. Now, I'm not a professional, but professionals would do it. They do it come up. Then once they land, they'd hit their back tire and just go backwards, pedal backwards, and then they would shoot forward, but I'm not sure how to do that. So, let me show you all the steps together. Alright, let's get started. This is called stoopy. That was not very hot. I want to try this. That's how you do it, stoopy. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh wait, please comment, subscribe, and rate. Thank you.